I think probably more than anything, it's the simplicity of it. Water. Plain, simple water. We never think of water as one atom of oxygen bonded by two different hydrogen atoms. Did you know hydrogen was discovered by a British scientist, Henry Cavendish? And that was in 1766. More than 250 years later, British engineers at JCB have succeeded in harnessing the power of hydrogen in engines. The engine has gone through exhaustive testing, amassing many thousands of hours both in test cells and in machines. Over 25,000 hours of machine testing has already been completed. People always ask us, where does the hydrogen come from? By introducing electricity, water can be split into oxygen and hydrogen in an electrolyser, just like this one here in Tyseley Park, Birmingham. Capture the hydrogen gas and you've got a valuable source of energy that can be used to power cars, buses, as well as construction and farming equipment. It can be stored easily in tanks, and it can be distributed very straightforwardly, making it a mobile fuel, just like diesel, but without the carbon emissions. This is power, simple, straightforward, and emitting nothing but steam when used in a hydrogen combustion engine. It's simple and it's working. Yes, hydrogen is working, helping to build houses, hospitals, and hotels with zero emissions. It can work anywhere and it can work everywhere. It's simplicity itself. Hydrogen is working. Let's hear what our customers have to say about it all.
I often say with
carbon construction we so desperately need.